welcome to The Print. My name is Kasturi Valimbe, coming to you from Mumbai. Today I'm standing in the most busiest highways in Mumbai called the Eastern Express Highway. It's on the eastern side of the city, as the name suggests, and it connects this way, connects to the city, the main city, to Kolaba, to Cuff Parade, and all these vehicles you see passing behind me are headed in that direction. But what you see behind me, more importantly, are these very pink trees. Now, these have become an attraction for the Mumbai city and for its people. These trees bloom from the months of December to February. They basically bloom with these pink flowers. That's why the name suggests, as they are called, pink trumpet blossoms or pink trumpet trees. These trees are most definitely not grown in the country. They are, as the botanists claim, they've been imported from other places. These trees are more Central American. You've seen these trees in Japan, but they are not like the Japan's cherry blossom trees. They are called trumpet trees. They're a little different. Their flowers are a little different. Now you see behind me, they're a little scanty. They are not as pink as they were. It's because we're in the month of February now, and they have reached a point where they've started to shed. These trees are botanically called Tabebu heterophylla, commonly known as pink trumpet trees or pink trumpet blossoms. If you see behind me, these trees attract a lot of crowd, a lot of students, a lot of people from other parts of the city come here to click pictures with the trees, to just watch the trees. A lot of locals from the area on their morning walks have a pleasant walk in the morning in the winters with these trees blossoming right above them. It is a must-watch sight, but these trees have now come under the lens of the BMC and the MMRDA. If you see next to me, there is this construction of this elevated Eastern Freeway extension, which is going from point A to point B. And for this elevated bridge, they are planning to uproot these trees and plant them elsewhere. We are getting comments from the MMRDA. We're trying to reach out to the MMRDA to know more about where these trees are going to be planted next. But botanists from the Baikala Zoo, Dr. More, in speaking to The Print, has told us that these trees should not ideally be uprooted because they are not grown in the country, which means if they are finding their environment in a certain location, if they've been in a certain location for many, many years, then they should not be uprooted and put somewhere else because it might hamper their growth. Having said that, we are still getting comments from the MMRDA on their plans. It's about time to see what they do with these trees.
The elevated bridge will be connecting Ghatkopar's Chheda Nagar with Thane's Anand Nagar, a patch that has the most amount of traffic during peak hours. And this is to reduce the traffic movement on the Eastern Express Highway. Now, while speaking to The Print, MMRDA official who wishes to stay anonymous, has said that the elevated bridge is being constructed on the center of the road, which means that the trees which are on the side of the road, near the service road, will not be hampered. This is a move that the MMRDA has taken to save the trees.
Thank you for watching The Print.